Hi, so welcome back to my channel. I why do I always do that? Like I'm always like shifting my head to the side. So welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a very short video. This video is gonna be about your eyebrows. So as you can see, I don't have the fullest eyebrows in the world, but I have a technique that I usually use to like make my eyebrows look fuller. Not talking too much, we're gonna get into this video. You already know the speech, the deal. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to push the thumbs up button if you like the video, and always let me know in the comments like what you want to see and what you think about the video. And so when I do my brows, I usually use two things. I either use like the regular beauty store eye pencil, or I use my music flower. I love this thing, literally I love it. The reason why I like it so much is because when you put it and it dries and you get into water, it doesn't wash out. Like I use that as my eyeliner, like that's like my go-to. And then I found this one that actually has, so it has a dry part of it, and then it has a liquid part of it. I like the liquid part of it. I never really got to use like the dry part, so I can't really like tell you this is what it actually is. So first off is this brush. So when you do this, try as much as possible not to use a brush that is too thick. You're gonna end up like putting so much dark lines on your eyes, and you don't want that. And then to clean it out, I have this straight brush that I use. It's like very skinny and straight.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, swola, swola.
So when I draw the line, I already know where I want to go in from. I just start going into where I think I don't have much eyebrows.
Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola.
See the difference? Don't worry about the bottom, I'm gonna clean it out. I just go, because I know like, okay, I know by the time I'm done, I'm gonna clean it out. So already see how my eyes are over here is lifted compared to the side. Alright, I think that does it for me. I'm gonna be using my Chestnut Eyebrow concealer. I love Eyebrow concealer too. You know, for me to be using a makeup, let me tell you something, I adore that makeup. Alright, so what I usually do, I put it over here. If I need to clean it out, I just keep dabbing my brush. So make sure your brush has enough.
Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were open closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you.
That part is done.
I'm finally healing from you. I know I'll make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm falling to a picture of you. You would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is the sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you.
With my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you already know, I have way too much love for them too. And my little brush, it's like such a flat, tiny brush. I go in the shade bronze, and I just. One other thing I do to keep my brows like from being too oily, because I get very oily, is going with one of the pressed powders that you use, not too much, and press in. What do you think?